The F in FOIL stands for first. So this means we're going to look at the first two terms in each of the two factors, and we're going to multiply them together. So what we will get is x times x, which is x squared because you add the exponents together. The O stands for outer. So this means we're going to look at our outer two terms. So the 4 and the x. And we're going to multiply these together and get 4 times x, which is 4x. The I stands for inner. This means we're going to look at the inner two terms, so the 2 and the x. And we're going to multiply these together, so 2 times x, which is equal to 2x. The L stands for last. This means we're going to look at the last two terms in each factor, so the 2 and the 4. And we're going to multiply these together. 2 times 4 equals 8. So now that we have multiplied all of our terms together, we're going to add them up. So what we get is x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. And you can see that the 4x and the 2x are common terms. So we're going to add these together. X squared plus 6x plus 8. And that is our final answer.